Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon gingerbread house surprise fold. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our surprise fold, we're going to begin by folding our paper. So the first thing is we want to fold it in half by lining up the corners and then just giving it a nice fold down the middle. Next, we're going to take this and we're going to fold it in half one more time. And this just gives us a couple little extra folds in there just to kind of help with some guidelines. So now when we open it up, we have two extra lines in here that just show us where to keep the inside of our drawing. Now to start off with our little gingerbread house surprise fold, let's begin with the roof. So I'm going to start right up here. And we just want to begin by making a line that's going to come up. We're going to curve, and then we're going to bring it down here. Next, starting here, we're going to curve this line down to the fold, and then we're just going to make some little bumps that just go all the way across. Then we'll make one across here. Next, we're going to do the same thing. I'm just going to bring these little bumps down and just curve it around here. Starting here, we're just going to draw a little line that comes down. And over here, we'll do the same thing, just a little line that comes down. Now, right across the bottom, I'm going to make some little bumps. I'll put about 3 here. I'll leave some space, and then we'll put like 3 more over here. So we'll just do a few little bumps. Then I'll make some little curved lines right here. And we'll make some little curved lines over here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes up. And over here, we'll make a line that just comes up. And then we'll make a little line across. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a little curved line for a door. And we'll make another little straight line across. Then I'm just going to redraw that shape right inside of here with a little circle for a handle. Right across here, we're going to make some curved lines so these look like candy canes. And then right up here, we're going to just put a little circle shape. Then what I like to do is I like to make a little S shape in here. Then I make a little S shape at an angle, and then one more here for a little piece of candy. Now I'll add another little curve here. Then our next step is to open up our little surprise fold. Now, once we open it up, we have 2 halves of our surprise fold. We have the bottom right here and then the top up here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start by making these 2 lines some big candy canes. So we're going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up, and we're going to curve it out like this in a hook shape. And we'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to go up, and we're going to curve it out in a hook shape. Next, we'll make a little line across on each one. Then we're going to draw this line up and bring it down to here. Same thing here, we're going to draw this line up and we're going to curve it down to here. Then we'll just continue some of these curved lines all the way across here to make some really tall candy canes. So I'm just going to bring these all the way across. And we'll do the same thing here. Just continue these lines all the way up to make the stripes of our candy cane. Now starting here, I'm going to put a little gingerbread man kind of popping out of the house. So to begin here, we're just going to start by making a big kind of circle shape with a little opening at the bottom. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to curve around and come in. And we'll do the same thing up here. We're just going to go out, and then we curve around and come in. Starting here, we'll draw two lines that just come down. Next, we'll draw a little line across. Then I'm going to start here, and we're just going to draw a little line that goes in and then down. And same thing over here, we're going to draw a little line that goes in and then down for the sides. Right here, we'll make a little curved line for the side of his face, and another one over here, just to give it a little bit of detail. Next, we're going to bring this line over, and we're going to go up, and same thing here, we're going to go over and up for like a little window. We're going to jump over here and then bring it in, and we'll do the same thing. Now right around here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve right around the whole window, so it kind of looks like it's got a little icing window frame around it. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up here, and another line that's going to come right up here towards the top of the little gingerbread house. Now up here, I'm going to make a little kind of arrow shape. I want to make a line that's going to come in on each side, then we're going to go down and in. This one will just come down, and this one will just go down to here. Same thing up here, we're going to go up and down with an arrow shape. We're going to come in on each side. We're going to go down and in, down and in. I'll bring this one in, and this one will just kind of go down and in. For like some little Christmas tree cookies. Now let's add some more details on our little gingerbread guy. So let's start with his face. I'll begin by making a circle for an eye. We'll leave some space, and we'll make another circle for an eye over here. I'm going to put a little black dot inside each circle. We'll make a line across with a nice big smiley face shape. Then we'll make a little sad face for the tongue. Right here, we're going to make a circle, and we'll make a line that goes up, down, and in. We'll do that same thing over here for a little bow tie. Next, we're going to draw a little wavy line here for the arm, and then we'll draw two wavy lines over here as well. And we'll add a couple little circles for some buttons on him. Now, starting up here, we'll add a couple little circles right around the top here for some detail. Then we'll add another circle shape over here. We'll do that same thing we did at the top. We'll make a little S shape. We'll make one at an angle, and then another one at an angle here. Then we're going to make some little circle shapes on here for some more little details. And there you go, there is your drawing of your little gingerbread house. Now, once you have it all folded up, you just have a simple little gingerbread house. You can always add some extra details like a little chimney if you want to, with a couple little bumps on here. But we just have kind of like a simple little gingerbread house. And then when you open it up, you have a little gingerbread guy popping out of the house with a lot of extra little details. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.